Let's explore the topic of renewable energy. It is important to have in mind the definitions for renewable or non-renewable resources and waste, because they are the main evaluation criteria for sustainability and sustainable solutions in our everyday decision-making and problem-solving. Renewable energy is energy that is collected from renewable resources that are naturally replenished on a human timescale. It includes sources such as sunlight, wind, rain, tides, waves, and geothermal heat. Renewable energy stands in contrast to fossil fuels, which are being used far more quickly than they are being replenished. Although most renewable energy sources are sustainable, some are not. For example, some biomass sources are considered unsustainable at current rates of exploitation. Renewable energy often provides energy in four important areas: electricity generation, air and water heating or cooling, transportation, and rural off-grid energy services. The share of renewables in global electricity generation jumped to nearly 28% in Q1 2020 from 26% in Q1 2019. The increase in renewables came mainly at the cost of coal and gas, although those two sources still represent close to 60% of global electricity supply. In Q1 2020, variable renewables, in the form of solar photovoltaics and wind power, reached 9% of generation, up from 8% in Q1 2019. Globally, there are over 10 million jobs associated with the renewable energy industries, with solar photovoltaics being the largest renewable employer. Renewable energy systems are rapidly becoming more efficient and cheaper, and their share of total energy consumption is increasing, with a large majority of newly installed electricity capacity being renewable. In most countries, photovoltaic, solar, or onshore wind are the cheapest new built electricity. The more conscious we are of the system interactions while looking for solutions, the more sustainable our lifestyle will be. Moreover, nature gives a good example of a sustainable system solution to follow: biomimicry. There are also tools for evaluation like life cycle analysis, which should be used when making important decisions. Sometimes, relying on our knowledge and previous experience, or just following our intuition, may help, but we should never neglect or underestimate the direct impact of our everyday actions on ecosystems and the planet's biocapacity. Every single person carries his or her own responsibility for life on Earth. Our actions in our local everyday surroundings, when multiplied by the number of individuals with a similar behavior or by the repeatability in time, have enormous effect on a global scale and are an important factor for preserving the planet's environment. Responsibility lies all within our hands.